Hey everyone! Let's dive into creating an override schedule in a recurring schedule on OnPage. These override schedules are perfect when someone needs to step out unexpectedly and requires another person to cover their shift temporarily. Instead of rebuilding the entire schedule, admins can effortlessly create an override for a specific date and time. OnPage efficiently routes alerts to the override contact during this period and smoothly returns to the regular schedule once the override ends. Let's see how to set this up. Imagine it's June 9th, and Jack Black, who's scheduled for after hours on weekdays, needs to be off for a couple of hours. He informed us he's unavailable between 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. on June 9th, but can resume his duties once he's back. We'll create an override for the window between 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. on June 9th. We cross off from here and craft a new schedule. For simplicity, we'll label it Override and use a different color for easy identification. Let's specify the time frame he's unavailable: 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on June 9th. And make sure to toggle the switch on exception to activate the override. Next, we need to assign who will take over. Let's say Aaron volunteered to cover, so we select Aaron and hit Save. You'll know it's an override because of its distinct stripe print on the schedule. And that's it. Pretty straightforward and easy. However, if you encounter any issues while creating overrides, don't hesitate to contact support at onpagecorp.com, and someone from our team will gladly assist you. Have a great day.